When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour for darkness, she is telling right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And when the broken hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. For though they may be pardoned, there is still a chance that they will see, there will be